Hi there, welcome to Reinvigorate Gardens. Now we're in the autumn, so it's the perfect time to do some lawn maintenance. So whether that's scarifying, reseeding, or fertilising your lawn, sort of September, October, ideal time. And I'm going to do some quick lawn maintenance here today on a small patch of lawn which has been damaged over the summer. You can see it's kind of died off, but it will come back really easily if we just follow a few basic steps. So I've got a rake, I've got some nice loam, and I've got some grass seed. And this is just to sort of repair those little patches in your lawn which occur. So little dead patches, areas that just look a little bit off. Really simple process that will just kind of rejuvenate the lawn before the winter comes. Spring and autumn are the two times to do this sort of thing. So really basic, if you've got a dead patch, first thing I do is just rake it. Now this is to form some furrows so the seed beds in and germinates better. I've also got some compost which will settle into those furrows. So I just kind of crisscross to make more furrows. It just roughs it up. It also removes thatch and debris and sort of dead material. You can see here I've got a big old pile of dead. I just kind of crisscross. You can be quite hard, don't be shy, go in quite hard. So now I've got a nice sort of rough bed there. So that's the raking bit done. Next thing I do, I've got some nice material, which is like a loamy compost, and it's been graded and it's been sieved, so it's quite thin. What you don't want is these lumpy bits of compost. So this is lovely. Got a big wheelbarrow of it. And all I do, just sprinkle it and kind of shake it so it breaks up. So those little small particles settle into the crevices that you've made. So I just sprinkle that on. Not too much, you just want a kind of a gentle covering, because this is the bed in which the seed is going to sit on. If it was really dry, I'd give that a quick kind of misting of water. That makes the seed stick to the soil. But that's a good sort of bed there for my seed. And I've got a nice ornamental grass seed here, but you can use any seed. Different seeds for different scenarios. But this is a quite formal lawn, so more ornamental, just a small handful. And just very gently let the seed fall out your hand. Don't kind of throw it, don't chuck it, just let the seed fall out. It's very light. So I just want a very small layer. You're better off underseeding, because the seed will spread, and also the grass that's already around this area will spread in as well, so it'll all stitch together. So you just want enough just to cover it gently. So once that seed's on, I then grab some more loam, the loam compost mix, do the same thing. Just cover it very gently. You're not looking to bury it, you're just covering it, so it aids germination. It stops the birds from getting to the seed as well. Any exposed seed at this time of year, the birds will absolutely ravage, so you just want to cover it nicely. You'll still see a few particles. Again, you can get sort of wood blocks and just settle it, but in October it's quite wet. The rain will fall and that will settle nicely. So I don't even need to water it, because it is forecast to rain. So that will be very nice once it's sort of settled in with a bit of rain. If it is dry and you've got a dry period forecast, just give it a very gentle water, but this should be absolutely fine. Just a little bit more there. Like I said, you want nice small fragments. You don't want big lumpy bits of compost obstructing the soil, obstructing the seed, sorry. So that's ideal, and that would be absolutely fine. I'm going to carry on now. Got this big square. I'm going to just repeat the process. So it's really simple, and this is the sort of thing that you can do in the spring and right up until sort of the end of October, weather permitting. So a real simple fix, really effective. It's only taken me 5 minutes to do that, and I'll keep my eye on it. Like I said, birds may get to it, so if you're really sort of concerned that birds are getting to it, just net it. But I'm quite confident that with the covering of compost and the rain that we're going to have, this will bed in nicely, germinate and establish before the winter comes.